and 4. Okay, in that order. Right, so try to understand the code. The code is not that difficult, it's just the Java syntax you have to worry about here. Okay, so let's see how it runs. Okay, so did we predict correctly? So we have robot 3, 6, and 4, right? Facing facing east. Because remember these robot class, each robot is facing east when you create it. Obviously, I can add more stuff to this, to see if it actually works. Maybe we can add another robot here, right? So I can say team. So let's copy this, and that's another robot called 8. Right? So this is a robot with ID 8. So now what's the order? What do you think the prediction is going to be? Okay, predict something. And what's the order you're going to see the robots? Say that again? 3, 8, 6, 4. Let's see whether that's correct, right? 3, 8, 6, 4. Okay, so you can see how I changed the code. I added a 2 that kind of pushes the other guys to the right and go from there. So it's sort of like a powerful, it's very, it's abstracted a lot of things for you, meaning that how does the array get extended, how does it remove, how does it shift, all that stuff you didn't have to worry about it. In fact, these kind of things are good. I'm not a big fan of Java, you know that, right? Java is a good language when you know how to build software, right? But when you're learning it, it's a terrible language because you have to kind of go through all these, like even that syntax, that's really hard for people to understand. But again, the good side is if you do a toy language, then you can't get a job, right? You cannot get an internship. If you do Java, at least you know Java, and you can get some internship. So in that case, Java is a fine language, right? So it's a sort of the struggle between good languages and useful languages. Okay, so that's all I want to say about the arrays, but what I want to do is next to talk about the test a little bit. For the test, you're going to get this review sheet, so I just want to show you this so that you don't unnecessarily worry about remembering things. So obviously you're going to get all the basic stuff, division, the operators, assignment statements, calling methods, decisions. I mean, by now you know all this stuff anyway.